Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have the DRC. It's the D45 rock crawler, and it's got true 4x4 power. And this is the box that it comes in. So pretty cool. Gives you all like the warnings and information about that. So we open it up. Comes in a sturdy styrofoam shell and totally pre-assembled, basically ready to go. And in the box you will get your remote control, which takes 2 AA batteries, not included. However, get the Amazon Basics AA's, put them in, pretty quick and easy. Alright, so that's ready to go. Turn that on, and it's going to be looking for the unit, so we'll keep that off real quick. And then you also get cautions on batteries. You get the rechargeable battery in here. Gives you some simple instructions on the operations. It's going to tell you that you have a hidden compartment in the bottom that stores the battery, or rather the power cell. And it comes with a power cell, and it comes with a USB charger that you can hook up to basically any standard power block. And it comes with a screwdriver so you can open the battery compartment, and it comes with a bunch of extra screws, which is pretty nice and helpful. And in here, in the bottom, is where you put the power cells. And then you open that up, and you get actually 2 power cells, which is really awesome. And this one I pre-charged because they come with like a trickle charge on them, but they're pretty low, and it's pretty easy to snap this in. It's got a positional block there, so you can line that up and make sure it snaps in. And then the power cell sits in this little groove here in the center, so make sure you have that lined up correctly. And then it has 2 little directional pieces here that you kind of like slip in here, and then that snaps into place. And then you put your use your little screwdriver to screw that down. And the cool thing, it comes with 2 power cells, so each of them boasts about 45 minutes of play each, so that's like 90 minutes, which is like pretty awesome, because some models at this price point you get 1 power cell, so that's really cool. And on here it actually has the ability to, you can kind of fine-tune your tie rods, which basically do your remote control steering. So if you find that it's leaning more to one side than the other, you can make an adjustment on here. For this price point, that's loaded. And you can already see, check out these cool LED lights on this thing. So you can ride this at night, and the detail is like really cool. See your little cockpit in there with the little steering wheel. I mean, a lot of little details that some models at this price point just don't have. And you can tell it has like a fully independent steering. So I mean, it can go left, right, straight, and then as well as the back, you have that directional pivot points on there, which is like absolutely awesome. And 4x4 action. Okay, let's turn the remote on, and we should be ready to go. So it's got that trigger so you can go forward, I can hit it backwards. And let's go down here, give it some play. So, no obstacles. Let's go down by the stones and see how it works in a boulder field. So the handle's trained pretty cool. Like I said, those awesome LED lights. And it can pretty much go over anything. Alright, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to get some lower shots here. We'll splice them into the film and we'll be back. But be safe out there.